In this video, we are going to talk about how to set up and install Vizio 5.1.2 Soundbar, Atmos setup, HDMI, eARC and speaker placement. Step 1. Place the components. You just have to place the main soundbar in front of the TV and position the soundwoofer on the floor near the sitting area. Then set the two satellite surround speaker behind the viewing area. Step 2. Wired connection. You just have to connect the HDMI cable to HDMI eARC or eARC port on the soundbar and the TV. Then you have to colored code cables to connect surround speaker to the soundwoofer, blue for left, gray for right. Then plug the soundbar and soundwoofer into the power outlets. Step 3. Initiate setup and pairing. You just have to turn on your TV and soundbar. The soundwoofer should automatically pair and it indicates by a solid light. If the soundwoofer does not pair, you have to hold the power button on the soundbar to initiate the pairing. Then you have to download Vizio mobile app to pair device via the Bluetooth. Adjust the settings such as Adjust settings such as surround volume, height, and bass through the app. You can update the firmware directly from the app for a optimal performance. Step 4. TV audio setting. You have to on the TV and move to the TV's audio menu. You have to change the digital audio output to the digital or bit stream and enable CEC in a system menu, and then you have to use TV remote to control the volume. So like this, you can set up and install the Vizio 5.1.2 soundbar. I hope it will be useful for you. Thanks for watching.